This is the Yap San Diego Ancestral House in Parian, Cebu City. It is said to be the first Chinese house built outside of China. It was built during the country's Spanish colonial era, where the Chinese were required to live in the Parians of a city. Cebu's Parian was founded in 1590 after the arrival of Chinese traders. The ancestral house is constructed out of coral stones and wood. This ancestral house has withstood the test of time, and it is one of the very few remaining historical landmarks of Cebu. It was built sometime between 1675 and 1700 and was originally owned by a Chinese merchant named Don Juan Yap, together with his wife Doña Maria Florido. They had 3 children, namely Maria, Eleuterio, and Consolacion. In 1880s, Maria Florido Yap, their eldest daughter, married Don Mariano Avendano San Diego, who was then Parian's cabeza de barangay or district head. Since then, the structure had become a busy center of activity in Parian. Presently, it is considered as one of the oldest existing residential structures in the country, and a proof that Parian district was a bustling barangay where houses are often designed with a second story. This abode was eventually handed down to Doña Maria's great-great-grandson, Val Mancao San Diego, in 2008. Val Mancao San Diego, an art collector, renowned choreographer, and also a heritage icon, turned the ancestral house into a museum, which opens daily from 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening with an entrance fee of 50 pesos. Just a few steps away from it, tourists can also visit the Parian Monument and the Colon Street, which is the oldest street in the country.